Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we will discuss about to make a table of consonant sounds. Table of consonant sounds is very important table, and it is only first table of sounds, and it is repeated again and again to for better understanding of consonant sounds. A method to make of this table is very simple. First, we form a table horizontally and vertically. Horizontal lines are representative of place of articulation, which is a feature of consonant sound, and vertical lines are representative of manner of articulation, which is another feature of consonant sounds. Place of articulation sounds are 9 or 8 in number, total are 9 in number, but usually some uh, students make 8 lines or 8 tables, but total these lines are 9 in number. First one is of bilabial sounds, the next one is labiodental sounds, third one is dental, fourth one is alveolar, fifth one is post alveolar, sixth palatal, and seventh uvular, ninth uvula, and eighth uvula, and ninth glottal. Sometimes some students do not make a table of uvula sound because they do not regard a necessary to this table. And six sounds of manners of articulation: plosive sounds, fricative sounds, affricates, nasals, laterals, lateral approximants, and approximants. These are six in number. Uh, we should make lines in table according these sounds. If we do not make lines according these sounds, we cannot make a good table of consonant sounds. Be careful that it right side above the plosive sound and at the back of bilabial sound is a blank space. It is necessary to leave it because there is no reason to write something there. Let's see on these sounds that PB is bilabial by place of articulation and plosive by manner of articulation. TD is a dental sound. KG is a velar, and next one is fricative, in which FV is labiodental, third is dental, SZ is alveolar, SJ is post-alveolar, and this X sign in brackets is a velar sound. He is glottal sounds, and in affricates JJ is post-alveolar. In nasal sounds, M is bilabial sounds, N is alveolar sounds, ing is velar sound, and in lateral sounds only L is a lateral sound and it is alveolar sound. And in approximants, W is bilabial, R is post-alveolar, J is velar. J is velar, in which W and J are considered semi-vowel sounds. These sounds are total in number 24. Be careful that a sound deals with two features, by manners of articulation and by place of articulation. For example, PB. It is plosive sound by manners of articulation, but it is bilabial sounds by place of articulation. Thank you so much. We will see in next video.